This month is Ramadan month for Muslims around the world to practice their religious tradition. But this year, they have to practice in very different ways and have to cope with COVID-19 at the same time. So let's take a look at this story.
Today marks the first day of the Muslim holy month of Ramadan. And this year, Ramadan is totally different from last year and many years before. Because normally, in this month, Muslims will fast during the day and many of them will break their fast together at the mosque. After that, they will perform the special prayer every night together at the mosque. Especially the last 10 nights of Ramadan, many believers will go to i'tikaf, which is the Islamic practice consisting of a period of staying in the mosque and devoting oneself to do the good deeds. Last week, Sheikhul Islam Office of Thailand announced that all activities as above mentioned must be cancelled. Everybody should break their fast at home using their own plates and utensils and also perform the special prayer at home. As yesterday, Sheikhul Islam Office of Thailand organized a webinar in the topic of COVID-19 measures for Muslims in Thailand during Ramadan to provide the understanding to all Muslims in Thailand. One of the speakers, Dr. Muhammad Fahmi Taleh, lecturer at Faculty of Nursing, Prince of Songkhla University, said Ramadan is also known as the month of sacrifice. So, all Muslims need to sacrifice their time that they used to do many activities together at mosque in Ramadan and should do all that activities on their own. This sacrifice will help Muslims overcome the pandemic together. This means that even we cannot pray together, but we still have to do something together, which is to self-isolate in order to help stop the pandemic together. Another speaker, Santi Sesaming, the scholars of Sheikhul Islam Office of Thailand, said Ramadan is the month for Muslims to concentrate on their good deeds, and this is the good chance to do that. Every entertainment places are closed, and every entertainment activity are all cancelled. What we can do now is only to stay home. So, why don't we take this chance to do the prayer or recite Quran or make good deeds to Allah at our home? We cannot go to mosque doesn't mean that we cannot pray. Imam Thanarat, the leader of Harun Mosque, also emphasized that it is very important to follow the instructions from the Sheikhul Islam Office during the holy month of Ramadan.
During the nights of Ramadan, there will be no space for believers to come and join us in the Taraweeh prayers, because we have still to be very restricted with the numbers of people who are in the masjid. Of course, actually we have only 5 people. This is to continue the ibadah as usual. And the food in Ramadan, we don't serve the food, but if we can, we will cook some meals and packed and then delivered to the poor and the needy and the people in the localities.
Following the measure from Sheikhul Islam Office of Thailand and government doesn't just help people from infected with COVID-19, but also help medical staff from working strenuously.